I have a relief valve, a safety relief valve here that's leaking. And usually that happens when your expansion tank goes bad. It's bad for a long time. What you do is you get some buildup in that valve, and it's just dripping. Just little drip, 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 drip. So I've had a lot of success by just exercising the relief valve back and forth. And I'll keep doing that. Now, if you're going to try this, be prepared to call a plumber, because you never know what's going to happen. And you empty that out. I don't want to get water everywhere. Now just keep on doing that. And hopefully we'll get that corrosion out of there, or build up, whatever's in there. I'll do this several times. And I'll just keep on doing that. And then we'll come back in a day and we'll see if it's done. Here we are 2 days later, and there's no drip in here. No moisture in there, so it worked. Our slapping around of the relief valve, it worked. So by doing that, we stopped the dripping. And I do this all the time. But as anything that relates to plumbing, be ready for the worst. So if you do that and it won't close even further, and it wants to hang open, I mean, you kind of got to be ready to shut your water off. And if you can't change that relief valve yourself, you might have to call a plumber. But this is something very common that I do, exercising these valves back and forth and getting the seal back up. Because usually when your expansion tank goes bad, that's when you have that problem. And when you put the new expansion tank in, the problem doesn't always cure itself, and you get a little bit of something in there and won't let that valve close. So that's the solution that I have for that, and I do this all the time. In fact, this week I did it 3 times with 3 different hot water tanks, and 2 of them that I know of, this took care of it. The other one I haven't checked on that yet.